Hello, my name is Corey Arvizu with Heinfeld Meach, and over the next few minutes I'm going to present to you the AICPA, much more than debits and credits. So let's get started. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants is the largest member association for the accounting profession with more than 400,000 worldwide members from various industry areas. The AICPA develops audit and ethical standards for the accounting profession, very important part of the process. And they also develop and administer the CPA exam. Individuals that are looking to become licensed in a particular state will take the uniform CPA exam. And lastly, the AICPA is a key resource for those of us in the profession for training, education, guidance, and other materials we may need to provide the professional services that we do. What the AICPA is not as well known for are some of the initiatives and programs that it has in place to have a positive impact in our communities. And the first one I'm going to discuss is 360 Degrees of Financial Literacy. And this initiative is a national volunteer effort of the AICPA, CPAs, and accounting firms. And what this initiative is intended to do is really help individuals understand personal finances and assist them with the development of money management skills. The website has a lot of useful tools and resources and allows individuals to actually prepare individualized financial plans. It has a number of financial calculators and a very useful question and answer section on the website. And there's the website address listed there. Here's a screenshot of the homepage, as you can see there, designed to have an individual, for whatever particular life stage they may be in, obtain resources and tools for that life stage, whether that be a student, a couple, small business owner, or individual closer to retirement. I mentioned the financial calculators, and I thought this one was just very interesting in that it really provides some insight as to how maybe changes in individuals' commitment to paying off a credit card or the resources they commit to that can have an impact on their future. In this particular example, there's a balance of $2,000 with a stated interest rate and a planned payment of $125. And what this demonstrates is at that payment, the balance will actually increase over the future. Whereas if the individual commits some more resources, increases the payment amount to $204, that credit card would be paid off in 24 months. So once again, just a nice visual to see how decisions can impact their financial well-being. Here's a question that was submitted through the Q&A section and the response that was provided once again by a CPA who has elected to commit their time and energy to this particular initiative. And these questions and answers are archived on the website for future use and access. The next program is Start Here, Go Places, and this is a web-based campaign for both students and teachers, really intended to provide information on the numerous opportunities available in the CPA profession. Oftentimes there is a misconception of the types of individuals that would be successful in the profession. And this website's really intended to maybe address some of those misconceptions. It has the website has a number of business simulations, games, videos, profiles of CPAs, certainly geared towards a younger audience, and a digital magazine on the website is also available. And you can see the web address there. Here's a screenshot of the homepage. As you can see, very, designed and visual for a younger audience, those of individuals that would be in high school or just entering college, to really get them interested in the resources that are available on the website. Here's a screenshot of the profiles that I mentioned. An individual can just click on one of these individual profiles and gain a little bit of insight as to how that individual entered the profession, what sparked their interest, and what their experience and background is. Really intended to demonstrate that the profession is full of diverse individuals with different backgrounds and experiences, and those individuals can be successful in the profession. And lastly, here's an article from the digital magazine on the website. How to Pay for College, certainly a useful resource. The last program I'm going to discuss is Feed the Pig, and this is a collaboration of the AICPA, State Accounting Societies, and the Ad Council, and this program very much encourages Americans to take control of their personal finances, and the messaging certainly applies to individuals of all ages, but primarily geared towards those between the ages of 25 and 35. And it is a national campaign of television, radio, and print, billboard communications. Many of those have probably been seen by those listening in on this presentation. It does use technology to send these messages as well, through emails, text messages, podcast, Twitter, and the individual can actually select how they'd like to receive the related communications. And the website, once again, has free financial information, several interactive tools that can be used to, once again, gain control of personal finances and develop a savings plan. And there's the website address there. Here's a screenshot of the homepage. As you can see, very much designed to direct an individual to a particular area of interest and hopefully, once again, stimulate their thoughts and ideas and presence as far as taking control of their personal finances. I mentioned the development of an individualized financial plan, and whatever an individual may be in their particular life, whether they're planning for education, paying off debt, planning for retirement, this will help them design a plan to address whatever goal or objective they may have with respect to saving and personal finances. And here's just an example of some of the print material that has been used for the campaign. So with that, I thank you for your time and very much encourage you to take a look at and research some of the initiatives and programs that I discussed, and hopefully pass along that information to others you may know as well who might find the information useful. So with that, I thank you for your time and have a great day.